There is the Love Valley infamous sign, and this is the town of Love Valley. And this is my first time riding up under the Love Valley sign and into the town of Love Valley. And that's Frankie in front of me on the bay. And that's Karen up there with all the pink on. And that's some of our camp people in front of all that. Hey, y'all. Oops, and my horse just realized that we're going to let that catch off. What, Mary? What? I can't video with you just a-jigging down the road. That's the general store. Hi, you. That would be our Marine friend. That's the bunkhouse, I think. That's the Silver Spur Saloon. That's where you shall find us tomorrow night. That is... Oh, that's for sale. There's a piece of real estate for sale. Anybody interested? Anyway, this would be our group. Karen, Frankie, y'all wave. Yay. Karen, y'all wave. Everybody wave. You on video. You famous now. Woo! That's right. Okay, wave your ears, horse.